Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that NFTs could be game changers for independent artists and musicians. The second news is that in Germany, the Fund Allocation Act will taking in effect today on the 2nd of August, and the new law allows special funds to allocate up to 20% of the portfolio in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And here we have DekaBank, and probably they would like to invest quite a lot of money. And the third news is all about that PayPal assembling crypto team in Ireland as Bitcoin adoption is growing. So guys, all this in today's video. And yes, I was on holiday last week, therefore you couldn't see any videos here on this YouTube channel, but now I'm back. A couple of you told me that it was good that I went on holiday and I should go more often, because during this week Bitcoin price went up and the crypto moved upwards. So guys, I will be on holiday in August, also between the 15th and the 22nd. So watch out, maybe the market will go up that time as well. But yes, now let's move on and check out how actually the market looks right now. $39,580. This is the present Bitcoin price, which is a 5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum also went, well, basically sideways. This is nothing down. $2,591 US. When we're looking at the winners, we can see that Bitcoin Gold is going up 11%. We have Terra Luna 6.5%, DekaBank 3%, but no big gainers at all. When we're looking at the loser side, put it this way, we see Coin 12% down, Decred 10%, and Icon going down 9% when we're looking at the top three. And let's check out the Bitcoin chart here, which I would like to highlight here, as I couldn't talk about it last week because I wasn't here, that we had 10 green candles in a row. And this is quite special what we have experienced here. Why I'm saying it is because the ultimate record, it's 11 candles, and it just happened 2 times in Bitcoin history, back in 2012 and 2013. Last time we had 9 candles in the row, 9 green candles I'm talking about, was November 2015. So it was a long time ago. And now this was great because it was a massive upward 10 days. And as you could see, we passed the 50-day moving average, which was actually good. As check it out here. Yeah, we haven't been above it. We haven't been above it since the 12th of May, right? So look like this. And then we have the 200-day moving average. Haven't touched it yet, which is around the level 45,000. And well, yeah, we couldn't reach that. But this here, this blue line I put here, it's definitely a significant level. And this is this 42,000, roughly speaking. And yes, look, it's here, also here, yeah, kind of here, and then maybe here. But we went above it, as you can see. We went above it, but then straight away we came down. So it would be very, very important to cross this line. The second important thing to watch is the 200-day moving average. When we cross that and stay above it, then we can actually say that, okay, now we back in the bullish mode. This was very, very nice upward 10 days, but we had to come back a lot, to be honest with you. And now we are above the level. And when we turn now back, as you can see here, we have right now 2, put it this way, 2 red candles, and now we're forming now the third one. We'll see it will be green or it will be red, but it can easily happen as we did here as well, that we just went this way and came back and then always touched it and down and up and down. So to stay bullish and actually to be really bullish, we have to pass this line and then the 200-day moving average. On the other hand, oh yeah, by the way, when we're looking at the weekly one, on the weekly, we can see that we have this one here, and this is the 21 EMA, exponential moving average. And this is also something what technical analysts are watching. And look, we just went with this green one, first time, you know, we're above it. But it would be very important to have a full green candle above it. So yeah, looking much better than we looked like a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, in my opinion, still not there. And when we're looking at Ethereum, Ethereum had its double bottom. When we look at this W shape, and this is definitely a bullish one. And we can measure it from here, the target. And if we move it up here, then yes, we can see that the next target could be potentially around 3,000. Could we reach it? Well, good question. But this is what this technical analysis can show us. You can see here that Ethereum has passed its 200-day moving average again. So went above it, put it this way, in the last week of July. And since we stay above it, so Ethereum became like bullish, not like Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin was bullish, is going up, but you know, we are still not there, passing the 200-day moving average. However, on Ethereum chart, we can see that we have done it already. Even when we're looking at the daily one, yeah, it's the same thing, right? So here you can see this is the 200-day moving average, and we there above it. Okay. Good. And now it's time, I guess, to move on to the first news. And the first one is all about that NFTs could be actually game changers for independent artists and musicians. So let's talk about that. The NFT world is definitely growing, and it's much more than digital art. And because this is, you know, a digital signature which you can see on the blockchain, and therefore I think it's a very important thing. And anything could be basically an NFT, and now we're just exploring this area. And for example, here's this news, and good point, that NFTs are a game changer for independent artists and musicians. So in the music industry, it can bring a lot of things. So with or without the buzz, one of the most powerful and overlooked impacts of NFTs on the music is on the music industry. NFTs has the power to change the game for independent artists by providing a new way to earn an income while connecting with fans, and this kind of change has been long overdue. Streaming platforms have been one of the main revenue source for musicians in the digital age, as you know, and become even more so during the COVID-19 pandemic last year, when live shows revenue dripped up. You know, there were no live shows, so they were even more, had to count more on streaming. The payout rates of these platforms, however, is still not very high. This has been a hot topic since their creation. Spotify pays on average around $0.003 to $0.005 per stream. That equates to around 3,000 to 5,000 US dollar for a million streams, but 1 million is a large number for an independent artist. So somebody who has a million streams has earned 3,000, 5,000. This is a big number, having 1 million streams, and the amount is not huge at all. So in 2020, there were only 13,400 artists that generated more than 50,000 US dollar of yearly revenue on Spotify. With these stats, you can see how NFT starts to look like a real opportunity. Sell a song or a collectible and you can make more with one sale than you could your entire career from streaming platform. NFT can also provide recurring revenue. They can be coded so that the original creator receives anywhere from 2.5 to 10% set every time the token is resold. So if you buy an NFT and you sell it again, the artist going to receive money again and again. And I think this is kind of fair. So for musicians, the other value of NFTs is their unlockables features. Basically, creators can include additional perks within the contract of the NFT. These can range from one-on-one video call with a fan to shout out, or physical products, or even giving away partial ownership of a song. So a lot of opportunities. This last case is unique, as now the artist can treat songs as equity investments. They can create an NFT and give away 30% ownership of the song. This gives those contributing money a chance to get an actual return on their investment, while the artist gets money in their pocket straight away. This is like a more rewarding version of the crowdfunding site. So guys, there are NFTs who could be big in the music industry. There are NFT decentralized streaming platforms also available. So I think music industry can highly profit from NFTs, especially the independent artists and musicians. So it's worth to keep an eye on this as well. I'm not just talking about digital kind of art. There are so many other ways you can make money through NFTs. Right. Second thing, it's all about the Fund Allocation Act, which basically taking in effect today on the 2nd of August. And we have DekaBank maybe taking advantage on it. So let's talk about it. So in Germany, we have the Fund Allocation Act, and this will be taking effect on the 2nd of August, and this is actually today. So this new law allows special funds to allocate up to 20% of their portfolio in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And it's very important. Then we have here now DekaBank, a prominent asset management firm in Germany, recently revealed that it is contemplating on investing in Bitcoin. With 403 billion US dollar worth of asset currently under its management, DekaBank is saying that they actually now looking at the investment, how they can invest in crypto. They haven't made the final decisions, but they're talking about it. And I think this is already a major thing. As I said, 2nd of August, which is today, is the day when this act will be taken effect. And we have here in German, Spezialfonds are investment vehicles exclusive to institutional investors like pensions funds and insurance companies. Should the Spezialfonds decide to allow all the 20%, there would be an estimated inflow of 428 billion into cryptocurrency. And yes, obviously, not the full amount will go into crypto. Yes. Also here, by DekaBank, they're not going to put the 20% of their 403 billion worth of asset they are actually managing. But when we're looking at just part of the 20%, and that goes into crypto, into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, this can bring a lot of money to the crypto era. So why this may be a sign that the crypto market is on its way to experience another boost, some experts believe that the volatility might keep German investors from getting into crypto trading. So we will see, the future will tell. Now they have the opportunity. Now this new act is live from today. And then now we see how the asset managers going to handle this, how much of the 20% opportunity they will take and put actually into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So the future will tell. But the opportunity is there, and it's there for a reason. So when we can have another increase in the cryptocurrency market cap, when Bitcoin price is going up and other cryptos going up, they might join. And if they join, that can bring a lot of extra money. Right. Third thing I want to talk about is PayPal reportedly assembling crypto team in Ireland as Bitcoin adoption is growing. Well, PayPal is definitely a big player now in crypto, and they assembling a crypto team in Ireland as Bitcoin adoption is growing. So the new hires will help PayPal expand its crypto-focused business, offering a time of rapid adoption of Bitcoin and Ether. So the global payment provider, PayPal, is in the process of recruiting for several crypto-related positions at its Ireland office, further highlighting that the company ambitions in the rapidly growing digital asset market. So definitely, there is a big interest in crypto from PayPal. PayPal launched a dedicated crypto and blockchain business unit earlier this year to support its foray into the cryptocurrency, which initially began in October 2020. So not long ago, just last autumn, by allowing customers in the United States to buy Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. In March of this year, the company expanded its offering by allowing US customers to pay for goods and even using their digital asset holdings. 2 months later, PayPal said it would allow customers to withdraw their cryptocurrency to third-party wallets. So we can see how PayPal is definitely getting deeper and deeper into crypto, and now they are about to assemble a crypto team in Ireland because they see there could be another, increase in Bitcoin price and also in cryptos, different cryptos, and that could bring even more attention to the cryptocurrency market, and they would like to be ready. They need a proper team for that. And these are the signs which show that probably another upward trend is coming maybe soon. Maybe the second part of the year, we will see. We had an amazing last week when prices went up like crazy. As I discussed at the beginning of the video, we have to be careful. We will see which way it will play out. It was a fake out, or yes, we're going to continue right now. But the opportunity is there. And we can see companies or actually regulations all going towards crypto. And this is actually a definitely a good sign, because bottom line, crypto has to be mainstream, has to get a wider adoption, and then it can grow even more successfully. Guys, thanks a lot for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of content, and also join us, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe button all, that's the only thing you have to do, and then you're here, and then you're receiving the daily cryptocurrency and blockchain news from me here on Blockchain Bloom, because I put them on YouTube every weekday. And when you subscribe, then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Tomorrow, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.